Okay guys, you know how I have this 3-inch coil, which is 1 inch inside and 3-inch outside. Well, check this out. If I compare to my 3-inch, I can easily fit this inside here. So this is my new coil. I know it's a little soon, but I'm excited and I want to share with you this new coil that I have designed. This is a coil shell for it. So this coil is 7-inch in diameter. Here, coil shelf. Something stick to it. And this is the north side and south side shells. This is the handle for it. And here is how it looks when I assemble it. So the idea is to have a larger coverage for this from this coil. This will give me 4 times larger coverage. Signal, I am about to start testing it, will be lower compared to this one. This one is like a beam of light. It focuses magnetic field like this in a cone. This one probably gonna have like this shape. I will be later performing some tests with that my Tesla meter, measuring everything, and I'll post those videos. But this is available for you to download. If you have a 3D printer, you can print it yourself. So as this version, I have just posted it on my website, the files for this version. If you have a printer which can print with multiple colors, you can use 3MF extension files, which will have all those embedded in there. This is the north side and south side. So let me show you on a computer. So if you go to downloads page, which is here, and then if you scroll down here, you will have files, 4 files. It's the earlier versions, 1.03, 1.04, and then 1.2 is the latest one. And then there is a 2-part shell coil. So there is one version where you have 2 parts. This is a 3-part shell. Shell is 2 pieces, and then handle is a 3rd piece. This one is cut in the middle, and you only have two pieces to make a coil. So this is available to download for free. Also, if you scroll down here, you will have files to download. This one that I just showed you with the flattened handle, and this is the larger version. And I have 2 files here for STL files and 3MF files. There is some information here you can read. So that's there. And then this is the spool where you can, it will help you to wind the coil. I did show you that before, but I have just posted these files where you can download and print it yourself. So that's that. This is the file to print this shell. I'm sorry, this spool winder that will help you to wind this larger coil. And the files is here as well. They're free. You can download and print it yourself. This is a spool winder for this larger coil. Okay, now if you go to store page here, store page, and then go to coils, parts and accessories, and then scroll it down. Here is complete coil. So if you don't have a 3D printer, you can purchase this coil from me for a reasonable price. You have options to pick whatever color handle you want. There is a few available. And same thing for this new larger coil. So I am offering that as well, the shell for it already 3D printed with high temperature plastic. So that is available as well. Now, if you can contact me directly and I'll send you information how to make an order, or you can go to my eBay page. My username is ANDRUHAWA, and there is some items here as well. You can purchase it via eBay. I will be leaving the links down below this video for you to have. And yeah, if you have any questions, give me a call or text me, email me, and I will try to reply to them. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, that helps with the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.